Hi, my name is Diana Munz, and in this video I will show you what your social intranet homepage based on IBM Connections and XCC could look like. As expected by internal communications, it starts off with a navigation that can be used to display static content which is based on wiki entries. With our embedded experience, you can view the content without having to leave your context in order to go to the page. Here, you can read and directly like the page. You could comment on the page as well as see all comments left by your peers. The navigation can also be used to open up external links or to navigate among the organizational units, but we will get to that later. The next element you see is the top news widget, which consists of news displayed prominently with a large picture and so pulls it into focus. News are always created with a block entry. Again, you can open up the news as embedded experience and directly like and comment, and you can even like the comments from other people. Also, it is very easy to integrate a picture gallery. And you can even run videos directly from the homepage. As you can see, the widgets containing My Business Unit News, My Regional News, and News for My Interests are currently still empty. This is due to the fact that I haven't yet specified any intranet preferences determining which business unit you belong to, which region you're located in, or what your general interests are. As you set and save your preferences, the content shown is specified to your needs and the experience of your intranet will change, so you will only see those news that are relevant to you. Of course, the preferences can also be set by the attributes a user inherits by the LDAP. Next is the news channel, which could, for instance, display news for service units. The point of this news channel is that you always get to see the latest news from each channel and a bit of a teaser from the next news, so you can very easily open up these news and will actually notice them. If those channels were put in different tabs behind each other, many people wouldn't ever bother to click the following tab. Of course, every intranet requires a phone book. You can dynamically search for all employees in your organization. But this is much more than a phone book. It doesn't only display the phone number and the mail address, but it also searches the tags so you can use it to localize skill as well. You can integrate custom applications using the iframe widget. In this example, the current menu of the canteen. Also, you can see if a peer has a birthday. Of course, only people who provided their birthday in their profile will be displayed here. Or you can integrate content from external websites, like the local weather. You can show links or files that might be important to your employees. For example, you could ask the HR department to maintain the important links in their community, and you, as webmaster, can publish them directly to the homepage. Files can be downloaded directly from the Files widget, or you could open those files in their respective community. Of course, both files and links, like any content in IBM Connections, can be personalized. The Events calendar aggregates events that are relevant to you. Events for your business unit are shown in green, regional events in blue, and additionally corporate events in dark blue. In the embedded experience, you can directly like an event or leave a comment. You can also see who is already participating and attend or unattend this event or an entire series of events. You can participate in the company's ideation by voting directly or revoking your vote for ideas. Internal communications can point you towards important discussions. You can link to other pages with visuals, see or embed videos into the page, see who's in charge of a department or who can be contacted. You can integrate content from external sources using RSS feeds, or for example use our clipping widgets to display the current Dow Jones or your company's Facebook page. If you browse your organization using the navigation, you can see that different service units could be linked to directly. These landing pages can look the same for all business units or can differ for each business unit. Some business units can be displayed with their own color scheme or even their own corporate identity. Or they can even have their own navigations, so very large business units that have a lot of content could have their own pages as well. With the People Selection widget, you could display who is in charge, who is important for the business unit, and who does what. Thank you for watching this video on XCC, the Web Content Management and Custom Apps extension for IBM Connections. For more information and to request a 30-day free trial of XCC, be sure to visit us at connectionsapps.com/XCC.